Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you what Dollar Tree and Dollar General has out new for their new spring collections. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Starting off with Dollar Tree, you can see they have this beautiful lemon collection, lemon and lime, I would say, because I do see a little bit of lime there at the top with the tongs, but those lemon cups are absolutely gorgeous and I just love this collection. Let me know if you have seen it yet. Another thing that I found is this whole lineup of little snacks and things like that of candles, which is super cute and a nice fun idea for anyone in general who loves any one of these snacks. And they even have these Bob Ross candles that are inspired by his paintings and his sayings that he says while painting, which is super cute, and I love those. I actually picked up two of the Bob Ross ones, but this whole lineup is super cute and I have never seen them all together like this. So let me know if you have seen that as well. Moving along to the beauty section, I just wanted to show you this because this is a super great find. I'm not sure if you know what a gua sha is, but this is a little, face tool that people use to sculpt their face and to massage their face, which is awesome. I have one myself, but these here are super cute and really nice, themed in the Smurfs and SpongeBob, and I think those are super cute even for your kids. If you have a daughter that likes beauty stuff, or have a niece, or granddaughter, whatever the case may be, Dollar Tree does have a lot of beauty stuff that is super great for gifting and things like that. And right across from there you can find this new portable soap sheets, and it comes with a keychain as well, so it's super nice and handy. You won't be able to lose them, and you can just hang them on your book bag or your purse. And I just love these for on the go, or even for school for your kids. This is a really great way to stay nice and clean and sanitary, especially when those times come around that there is no soap in the restrooms and you have this on you. It's super handy, so I love that. Make sure you check out for these, you look out for these are in the medicine section right across from the beauty section at Dollar Tree. And I cannot wait to show you what's in Dollar General. I absolutely love Dollar General's home decor stuff because I feel like they're a little bit more elevated than Dollar Tree. Some of them are maybe a bit pricier, but in reality Dollar Tree is not cheap anymore. They have prices up to $10, so it's pretty much the same thing, but I find that Dollar General has nice quality stuff and more nicer stuff that you can find here. They have this little plant holder, these really cute spring magnets that have the cutest sayings that I love, and these are only $1, I believe, the magnets. And the plant holder was $3, which is not bad at all. But these magnets are super cute now to bring in the spring. And you guys, one thing that I love about Dollar General's decor is that they always look at the detail and pay attention to detail, such as these little trinkets here that you see. Those are good for spices or for little fruits if you want to place them in for a little snack. But you can see how beautiful they are. And then these jars here with the little spoon, the cover, and that beautiful pattern that's around them for only $2. I did pick this up, and I'm going to put bath salts in here because I think it's a great way to store these. And you did not just see that. I hate when that happens, when it just clumps up in the bag. But anyway, this is a great way to store those bath salts or really anything that you have in mind. And it's a great and easy way to have handy with a little spoon. You have a little cover and you can just place it in your bathroom. So I love this, and again, the detail on the jar is absolutely stunning and pretty, and I just love it. For $2, I think it's a great deal. And if you thought that was nice, look at this plant mister. It is super cute, super fancy, and I love it. I just love the look of it. for $3. It is pure glass and it's absolutely beautiful. You can see the one that I actually picked up here has that nice rose gold color and that beautiful pattern on the glass itself, and I love this for $3. You cannot beat it for your outdoor plants, for a little mist and things like that, even your indoor plants. I love this and it's super handy. And right across from there, they have these beautiful spring cups, glass cups that you can use for your iced coffee or water, whatever drink that you would like in here. These are super cute. They have the strawberry pattern and the lemon pattern, and I prefer the lemon. I think that one's really nice, but these are really nice cups. That little chick is the funniest thing. That is super cute. Moving over to the bowls and kitchen section, I found a lot of gorgeous items and I did pick up, I had to pick up these bowls. These are absolutely stunning. This looks like something that you can find off of Dillard's or something like that with the patterns. It's a really great quality, and then for $3 you absolutely cannot beat it. So I had to pick these up. They do have different patterns, as you can see here, with different colors, which is awesome. So I highly suggest that you go and check these out because these are really great finds, and I just love that they have multiple ones that you can choose from. I also did find this really large glass serving bowl, and this is super heavy, you guys. It's really nice quality with the gold trim. And I even went a step further and I went on Dillard's website and I actually found one similar, but you would not believe the price compared to the price at Dollar General. You can see this one is fairly similar with the marbling and stuff like that. But if I'm honest, I like the one at Dollar General more. It has the gold trim and it looks really nice compared to this plain one for way less than half the price. So that is a great find as well. And you can absolutely find a ton of other beautiful serving trays, serving bowls, mixing bowls, and things like that here at Dollar General.
This is the coffee cup I need in the morning.
I'm pretty sure I am not the only one who feels that way some mornings, but that is a beautiful, nice mixing bowl here at Dollar General. Once again, I absolutely love their stuff and I think you should check them out now for the springtime or all year round because honestly, they always put out beautiful things. And I hope you enjoyed this video sharing with you some of Dollar Tree and Dollar General's new spring collection and new items. I hope that you go ahead and check them out and let me know what you have found. And if you've made it this far into my video, then it is time for our secret word. Our secret word for today is going to be fancy. So comment that down below and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which is highly appreciated. So thank you so much. And I will see you all on my next video. Take care and God bless.